Okay, so I'm not sure where this vacuum hose lines up to, but it's over here. I put it all back together, but I'm getting a P2006 code, and it's over here. I think it's off of that. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it is right there. See that there's a hose missing, I'm assuming, and that connects up to there. This is what I have currently.